To send a Zelle payment, you need to have a bank account or credit union that participates in the Zelle network. First, check with your bank or credit union to see if they offer Zelle. If they do, you can enroll in Zelle through their mobile banking app or website. Once you are enrolled, open the Zelle app or access it through your mobile banking app. Select the option to send money and enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number. Make sure to use the recipient's email address or phone number that they used to enroll in Zelle. Next, enter the amount you want to send and add a memo or note to the payment if you want. Review the payment details to ensure everything is correct. Then, confirm the payment and the money will be sent directly to the recipient's bank account. It is essential to use the correct email address or phone number to avoid any issues with the payment. Also, make sure you are sending money to someone you trust, as Zelle payments are typically irreversible. In addition, keep in mind that Zelle payments are usually processed within minutes, but the exact timing may depend on the recipient's bank. If you need to cancel a payment, you can try to do so through the Zelle app, but it is not guaranteed that the payment can be canceled. To get the most out of Zelle, it is a good idea to familiarize yourself with your bank's or credit union's Zelle policies and fees. Some banks may charge a fee for using Zelle, while others may not. Overall, sending a Zelle payment is a quick and easy process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following these steps and being mindful of the key concepts and best practices, you can use Zelle with confidence and take advantage of its convenience and speed.